Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I am going to be doing a review on this product right here. This is the Lavender Cuticle Oil from BornPrettyStore.com. So in this video, we're going to be going over the packaging, including the box that it comes in. We're going to go over how to use this product and also go over how well this product works and if I would recommend it to you guys. So this is the box that the cuticle oil comes in. As you can tell, it's just like a regular cardboard box. On this box, it includes ingredients that are included in the oil, as well as directions how to use this oil and how often to use this oil. And then once you take it out of the box, this is what the cuticle oil pen, I guess you could call it, looks like. It just has a nice, sleek, silver chrome packaging, as you can see, and then it also has the name and the brand on there as well. So my very first impression of this cuticle oil is the packaging is not very sturdy. It basically fell apart right when I opened it, as you can see in this clip that I'm showing you right here. But my very first impression of the actual cuticle oil is I thought it smelled really nice. I don't think it smells like lavender, but it has a very fruity smell. It really reminds me of the nail polish remover pads from Born Pretty Store that I also reviewed on my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen that, I will link that down below. But it has a very similar smell to those nail polish remover pads. When it came to applying the cuticle oil onto my nails and my cuticles, I followed the instructions that were on the box of this cuticle oil, and that was just to brush on the cuticle oil on your cuticles, massage it in, and you use it 3 times a week. And I thought the cuticle oil felt really good on my nails and cuticles and just the surrounding skin that I applied the oil to. I thought it felt very soft. And yeah, just by how soft it was, it just felt really good after I applied it. And for this review, I also decided to take pictures of my nails before and after. So of course, the first picture you're seeing is after using it for 1 day. Obviously, you're not going to see a huge difference. And if my nails and hands look purple to you, they are purple because I used purple shampoo for my hair. And that was actually 2 days before I even took these pictures. I don't know why it stained my hands so bad. It usually doesn't, but of course this particular day when I have to take pictures of my hands, it's gonna stain them purple. But anyway, so yeah, that's what the purple color is. But yeah, that is the first day of use. And then the second picture is after using this cuticle oil for 1 month. As you can see, my nails look a lot longer, and I didn't do anything to my nails. I didn't cut them or file them. I didn't do anything to them. And after using this cuticle oil for 1 month, even though it did give me quite a bit of growth with my nails, I didn't think my nails looked any healthier, and my nails also didn't feel any stronger. I naturally have very brittle, fragile nails. Like, my nails constantly break off. That's why a lot of the times I will use fake nails, because I love long nails, but I can't grow my own out because they're just so brittle. They break immediately almost. And I found that even with using this cuticle oil, my nails still broke quite easily. So to finish up this review, let's go over the pros and cons. So the pros for this cuticle oil is I think it smells very good. I think it feels really good when applying it, and you do see some nail growth. The cons with this product is the cheap packaging, because it fell apart immediately right after I opened it. Of course, that could just be mine. When it comes to the nails, I didn't think they looked any healthier, and they still felt quite brittle. So overall, I would give this product 3 out of 5 stars. I just think one stipulation with this product is that maybe it would work a lot better with someone that has naturally stronger nails. Alright everyone, so that is it for this review on the Lavender Cuticle Oil from BornPrettyStore.com. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you're interested in this cuticle oil, make sure to check down in the description box for a link to Born Pretty Store's website, a link to this cuticle oil, and a coupon code for you guys. So I'm going to get going for now, but I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone!